Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your display name in Roblox. It's pretty simple. So after opening Roblox, click on the three dot at the bottom right of your screen, and then from over here you want to click on where it says setting at the bottom. Once you click on setting, the first option where it says account info, click on it. Once you click on it, the first option over here where it says display name right under account info, at the side of it you can see a little pen with a pencil icon. Click on it. Now over here it's going to show you your current display name. You can just remove it and enter a new display name you want. And after you enter the new display name you want, you can click on save. But before clicking on save, you need to read this. Your display name can only be changed once every 7 days, which means if I click on save, now I cannot change my name for 7 days again. But as you guys can see, my display name has changed. So yeah, that's how you guys can change your display name in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. And remember, changing your Roblox display name will not cost you Robux. But if I want to change it within 7 days, I can pay some Robux and I can change my name within 7 days as well. So that is also an option. So if you have Robux, then you can change it however much you want. You don't have to wait for 7 days.